fear for hearing its main over matter. New York, member of America's professional and managerial class have always led college confident of at least one thing. They had taken their last test from here one day could rely on cram tuning and or our record of accomplishment to fulfill them up the free corporate ladder. But that's not necessarily true any longer. A growing number of companies, from General Motors Corp to American Express to are no longer started with traditional job interview incident. They are requiring efficiently for many white-collar jobs, from top executives down to submit to a series of paper and pencil tests, role-playing exercises, simulation, decision making efforts, and writing scripts. Order put candidates took a long series of interviews by physically obtaining interviews. They, the tests are not about mathematics or grammar, nor about any of the basic technical skill for which many production, sales, and delivery workers have long been tested of their employer. What to evaluate candidates on intelligible quality is he creative and entrepreneurial, can help lead and jokes, is he flexible and capable of learning, does she have passion and a sense of urgency, how will he function under pressure, most important, will the potential recruits fit the corporate culture. These tests, which can take from a hour to today, are all part of a broader trend. Companies are getting much more careful about hiring, said Paul Rai, chairman of the Association of Executive Share Consultancy. 10 years ago, candidates could win a top job with the right look at the right answer to excusement should why do you want this job? How many are having to fight? Do you want accuse and exercise intended to learn how they get things done? They many, for example, have to describe in great detail not one career accomplishment but many, so that partly operate ignorant. They many fight accuse should ask who is the best manager you ever worked for and why, or what is your best friend like. The answer psychologists say reveal much about a candidate's management style and about himself or herself. The reason for the interrogation is clear. Many years were out badly about 30 35% of recently leader senior executive are younger Piltour, according to the Center for Creative Leadership in Greenville, North California, which surveyed early executive. They The cost of bringing the whole person on board is something exercising and what training can cost from for a level manager for a top executive of corporate dosaging a team that has social layer of management has also increased the potential make that one bad executive can do with the fight of cost alkali in market and technology. Companies what to know an executive will perform not just how he or she has performed. Candid year ago, Confluent looked for excellence as a candidate done this before, said Harley Weinstein, executive vice president of California, a professional testing and consulting firm in France on New Jersey, but having experience in a job does no guarantee that you can do it in a different environment. At this point, most companies have not shifted to this practice. Some do not see the need or remain new confident that testing inward the cost, but human resource specialists say anecdotal evidence that with color testing is growing in popularity. What has brought so many employees around to the sting in a sense of the limitation in the usual job interview, which so light information on which to base a decision. Most people hear people do like Radford than the most competent person, said Ori Owens, a physiologist in Shermois, Washington. Whiteside in executive candidates race and so decide that most decision makers make their hearing decision in the first 5 minutes in an interview and spend the rest of the time rationalizing the scope. Besides, with expert in how to land a better job about as common as a $10 bill, many people are learning to play the interview games. Even companies that have not started extensive testing have to hand their hiring practice. Many how do background checks. For example, look for signs of drug as violence or sexual harassment, but the more conversing testing aiming to measure skill in communication, analysis, and organization, attention to detail and management style, personality, ties, and motivation that behaviorally sensitive, safe predict performance. Thank you.